Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will guide you on how to set up the HTTP Injector VPN app using Hysteria settings. This method will help you improve your privacy, browsing security, and connection stability. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store, search for HTTP Injector VPN, and install it on your device. Step 2. Open your browser and go to Howdy.id. Tap the menu with 3 lines, then select Tunnels. Scroll down and choose Hysteria. Complete the verification and then tap Show Server. Copy the server details carefully. Step 3. Open the HTTP Injector app. On the main screen, go to Connection Type and select Hysteria. Save your choice. Open the menu again and go to Hysteria Settings. Tap the plus button, then paste the server details you copied earlier. If you have an SNI, server name indication, enter it in the given field. Save the settings. Step 4. Go back to the main screen and press Start. Your device will now connect through HTTP Injector using Hysteria. That's it, your setup is complete. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.